Okay, hi, drama outside Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's residence. My colleague Anisha Mathur is there. Anisha, take us through what's happening there.
Well, Ankit, you can see in my camera frame, my camera person is panning towards what is happening in there. The Aam Aadmi Party leaders and volunteers trying to break the barricade and go towards Kejriwal's house. Senior Aam Aadmi Party leaders, including Saurabh Bharadwaj, Dilip Pandey and several others, MLAs of the Aam Aadmi Party are here. Several party workers are here. They've been saying since the morning that Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of Delhi, has been kept put under house arrest and they are not being allowed to go and meet him. You can see in the visuals that my camera person is showing you what kind of confrontation is happening here. Just a couple of minutes ago, they were trying to move the barricades. They were trying to break the barricades. Now the police is trying to talk them down, trying to get them to go back. They've been sitting here outside the barricades near Arvind Kejriwal's residence for almost an hour now. They've been shouting slogans. You can see in the visuals that there is a heated confrontation going on now. Where the Aam Aadmi Party MP Bhagwant Mann was also here till a short while ago, and now you can see the police is pushing them back. They're asking them to go back and sit on the road nearby. We are sort of maintaining a slight distance from the confrontation itself. So because it's very clear that the Aam Aadmi Party workers are very, very agitated right now, and they're going to try and break the barricades. You can see the heavy police arrangements, barricading that's taken place here.
Aam Aadmi Party leaders also there that you can speak to?
Has been saying. Well, I'm going to try and get in there and try and speak to some of the leaders. As I said, several senior leaders, MLAs are here. Let me try and see who I can speak to. Ek taraf ho aana. Hi, sir. Why? What exactly are you guys trying to do? Are you trying to break the barricade?
This is such a lie by the central government. They have arrested our chief minister. The chief minister has been detained. Look, this is what police is doing to us. They are not letting us inside. And ये सारा का सारा है. ये अंदर किसी को जाने नहीं दे रहे हैं. पूरी की पूरी बैरिकेडिंग कर रखी है और झूठ बोल रहे हैं कि अरेस्ट नहीं है. हमारे मुख्यमंत्री को इन्होंने यहाँ पे हाउस अरेस्ट किया हुआ है.
आप लोग ने बात, have you tried to go inside? I mean, have you tried to get permission from the police to just walk?
लड़ाई झगड़े के लिए ये लोग तैयार है और यहाँ पे लड़ाई झगड़े के लिए देखिए ना पुलिस वाले औरतों तक से धक्का मुक्की कर रहे हैं लोग.
Have you been able to speak to the chief minister? What are the officials who are inside saying?
उनके पास किसी को जाने नहीं दिया जा रहा, उनको बाहर निकलने नहीं दिया जा रहा.
कोई अंदर ऑफिशियल्स कोई तो होंगे सरकार के.
किसी को नहीं जाने दिया गया. किसी को ये जाने नहीं दे रहे. झूठ बोल रहे हैं कि अरेस्ट नहीं किया गया, उनको अंदर डिटेन किया हुआ है.
So, Ankit, that was Saurabh Bharadwaj speaking to us. And if I can just ask my camera person once again to pan, there's a heated confrontation going on just meters behind us where the Aam Aadmi Party volunteers are still trying to break through the barricades and go inside. As you saw, Saurabh Bharadwaj has seen an injury to his fingers, hands has been injured. There are other party volunteers here who are still trying to break the barricades and go inside. Back to you.
All right, so Anisha, in fact, outside the Chief Minister's residence, where a heated confrontation is going on, we'll try and just stay with it and try and get more reactions as far as this story goes. Okay, going back to Anisha. Anisha, over to you.
Sorry, Ankit, there's a lot of dhakka mukki going on here. There's a lot of slogan shouting going on here. As you can see behind me, the Aam Aadmi Party volunteers still trying to break through the barricades. The MLAs are there, the party leaders are there. Let me also try and speak to Dilip Pandey here. Dilip sir, what have you been able to get in touch with Arvind Kejriwal at all? अंदर क्या हो रहा है कुछ?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं, संवाद ही नहीं स्थापित होने दिया जा रहा. बड़ा दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है. देखिए, प्रत्यक्ष को प्रमाण की आवश्यकता नहीं होती है. यहाँ तमाम विधायक हैं, पार्षद हैं, पार्टी के पदाधिकारी हैं. आपने 3 मेयरों को किस आधार पर अंदर जाने दिया? और उनको जाने दिया तो ये लोग जो मिलना चाहते हैं, पुलिस कैसे तय करेगी भाई? पुलिस उल्टा झूठ बोल रही है कि हमने कोई रोक टोक नहीं लगा रखी है. पुलिस ने रोक टोक लगा रखी है. पुलिस पॉलिटिकल मोटिवेटेड होकर झूठ बोल रही है कि मिलने में कोई रोक टोक नहीं है. यहाँ तमाम लोग मिलना चाहते हैं लेकिन किसी को मिलने नहीं दिया जा रहा है.
तोड़ के अंदर जाने की कोशिश हो रही है.
नहीं, बैरिकेड लगाना क्यों भाई? 3 मेयर जो है अंदर फर्जी प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, उनको इसी बैरिकेड को खोल के जाने दिया गया। लेकिन यहाँ लोग आए हुए हैं, ये अपनी विधानसभा से आए हुए हैं, इनके यहाँ सीवर की परेशानी है, इनके यहाँ सड़क की परेशानी है, ये अपने इलाके के लोगों को लाए हुए मिलवाने के लिए। मैं अपनी किसी समस्या से मिलने आया हुआ हूँ, आप कह रहे हैं कि अपना आईडी दिखाइए, ये सब बेकार की बातें हैं। सीधी
Anybody been allowed to go inside since the morning? सुबह से कोई
नहीं जाने दे रहे हैं। बल्कि मेरी एक शेड्यूल्ड मीटिंग थी, मैं वजीरपुर से विधायक हूं राजेश गुप्ता, मेरी शेड्यूल्ड मीटिंग थी, सीएम साहब ने खुद टाइम देके बुलाया था, मेरे साथ मेरी विधानसभा के लोग आए थे, सीवर की समस्या थी, किसी को जाने नहीं दे रहे हैं। ये किस किस्म का प्रदर्शन अंदर वो लोग कर रहे हैं?
सिर्फ खुन्नस निकाल रहे हैं कि केजरीवाल ने जेल क्यों नहीं बनने दी नो स्टेडियम के बदले, केजरीवाल सेवादार कैसे बन गया, केजरीवाल सिंघू बॉर्डर कैसे चला गया। इसका बदला लेने के लिए 3 मेयरों की फर्जी प्रोटेस्ट की आड़ में दिल्ली पुलिस अपनी गुंडागर्दी चला रही है, गृह मंत्रालय के निर्देश पर झूठ बोल रही है।
As you can see, Ankit, this is what the Aam Aadmi Party leaders here are saying, and behind us is still the confrontation that is happening. The police is making announcements, asking the Aam Aadmi Party members to shift back, sit down there, and sit down on the roads. They will saying that they will not be allowed to go further ahead, and you can hear the police hi naras that are going on behind us. Back to you.
All right, Anisha. So the Aam Aadmi Party leaders, they're trying to, in fact, break the barricades and go towards where the Chief Minister's residence. This is very interesting. The police says there is no restriction. The Chief Minister is free to go anywhere. Meanwhile, the Chief Minister is inside and he's not allowed to meet any of the people, those who are, in fact, trying to meet him, trying to go inside as well. While the protest here continues. It's just about half an hour left for the Chakka Jam call to get over, which was till 3 p.m. Let me now bring you reports from various cities that my colleagues have filed since morning.
Arvind Kejriwal's house, because they've been said.
We are at Delhi-Noida border right now amid heavy police deployment near the DND flyway. The police have put barricades due to the bandh called by the agitating farmers against the farm bills, and this road is free for traffic as of now. The bandh effect is not on the traffic on the Delhi-Noida border. As you can see, the police is checking each and every vehicle to ensure that movement of this road remains functional throughout the day. Heavy police deployment, you can see paramilitary forces have also been deployed to prevent any kind of disruption in the traffic. With camera person Parminder Sharma, this is Abhishek Anand for India Today.
This is National Highway where standing I am at the moment has remained blocked, but other side that's the police barricading with water cannon, the jawans of armored jawans of Delhi Police, the CRPF, the paramilitary other forces, and right next that the truck carrying mud. So these trucks are here actually to obstruct the movement and at all the farmers trying to move further towards the national capital. But other side, there you see the people are coming from different parts of Haryana and Punjab through GT Karnal Road to extend this support of to the agitating farmers against the agricultural law. So there you see the women, girls, kids, senior citizens, many from different states who are extending their supports to these farmers. At Farmers Agitation Epicenter at Singhu border with Alok Das, this is Ashutosh Mishra reporting for India.
Okay, something very interesting is happening right now. So the Chakka Jam call was till 3 p.m. Now what you see are the farmers trying to clear all the other roads which were blocked here on the National Highway 24. Paji, चक्का जाम खत्म कर रहे हो तुसी?
हाँ जी, चक्का जाम खत्म कर रहे हैं।
तो अब सब लोग इस तरफ चले जाएंगे?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
बाकी सारा रास्ता खुला है अब? सब खुला जी। तो अब किसी को गाजीपुर आना हो तो वो इधर से आ सकता है? हाँ जी जी, आराम से जाओ, आराम से जाओ। पर वो वाले में आप लोग अपना वो तो जब तक सरकार की बातचीत नहीं होगी तब तक ऐसे रहेगा वो तो। Okay, so I can give you a live update right now. If you are coming towards the Ghazipur border from Delhi and going towards UP, these 3 lanes in fact have now been opened. Only the lane that comes from UP to Delhi, which the farmers for the last 13 days have been sitting, that's where the protest is now going to continue. So from morning when all these roads were in fact covered by the farmers, every other road, all these lanes have now been opened, and the police in fact very soon is going to let the traffic in as far as the farmers are concerned on the National Highway 24. So all these people, in fact, also asking the media to try and open. It has been a very well organized and peaceful protest which has taken place. The farmers have now opened one side of the National Highway 24 where we have been reporting since morning. So all the lanes from Delhi to Uttar Pradesh, from at the Ghazipur border, which goes towards Meerut, Ghaziabad, all these lanes have now been opened by the farmers, and you can expect the traffic to begin in a short while from now. They are going to restrict themselves back to the lane where the farmers have been protesting for the last 13 days. Meanwhile, there have been certain, markets which remain unaffected in Delhi as far as the Bharat Bandh is concerned. Take a look at this report.
सभी मार्केट्स और मेन रोड जो हैं खुली हैं और वहां पे नॉर्मल मूवमेंट जो है पब्लिक का हो रहा है और कहीं से कोई अप्रिय घटना का समाचार नहीं है। अगर कहीं पे कुछ भी होगा तो दिल्ली पुलिस उस केस में इफेक्टिवली इंटरवीन करेगी और लॉ एंड ऑर्डर मेंटेन करेगी।
Our confederation has not been approached by any of the farmers to join their protest. So one, we don't have any kind of a contact with them saying, okay, you please join us. Second is we are very hopeful from the government that they are very positive and going to a fruitful negotiation with the farmers. So once the government is very positive, going 2 steps forward, I think we should give government time to sort out this problem.
The farmers gave a call for Bharat Bandh today, but markets in the national capital have given it a lukewarm response. The associations say farmers did not get in touch with them with regards to the Bharat Bandh, and they also believe that the talks between the government and the farmers will definitely yield some result. Markets like the Tony Khan Market, Connaught Place, South Extension, Lajpat Nagar, all of them are open today, though they say they stand with the farmers, but shutting shops is not an option for them. This is Aishwarya Paliwal reporting from Khan Market with camera person Ritesh Mishra.
All right, so as this situation continues to now change, the Chakka Jam is over. In just about few minutes, you can expect at least half of the lane to be functional. The farmers have sat down for the langar. The lunch is being served here. And the farmers, this is exactly what you see here for the last 13 days, now sitting for the lunch on the very road that they have been protesting on for the last many days. I have to slip into a very short break at this moment. News and updates continue after these short commercial messages.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.